All right, change of plans. By the way, we're video 3 now. I figured out what's stopping them, some of it, although turns out if I get a text message and it's paused, it's going to stop it. So it's not entirely in my control. Looking at the wiring harness, there's not a lot of extra length, and there's a connector in it that's going to need to be where the loader can be disconnected. So I'm going to change the plan a little bit. I'm going to do the hydraulics first so I can connect to the valve and run it on along. Don't end up in a situation where I've got a wire harness where it's not usable. So to do that, first of all, I've actually put my loader up on this jack stand so I can get this up where I don't have to bend over to work on it. Probably wouldn't fall, but better safe than sorry. We're going to have to replace this plate with the one that's got the mount for the valve. These bolts are 12 millimeter. I'll be taking those off. The top 2 hydraulic lines here that control the curl of the bucket are going to be replaced with something that's got the divert, in and out of the valve. And then one thing I noticed is the bucket level indicator was going to be right in the way of getting to these fittings. And so I've pulled that off. And pro tip, before you put this up, these really need to be rocked down to get the cotter pin out. So you can save yourself a step by doing that right away. So that's where we are with that. So I'll be pulling this apart. I'll be getting those off and ready to put the new tubing on. These guys are going to have to be loosened too. We're going to lose some fluid doing it, so I've got my catch basins under here and my cardboard. So let me take some things apart and then we'll get you guys caught up.